So guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harmony, and in this tutorial we are going to be installing Mysql workbench. So Mysql workbench is actually a visual database management and design tool for Mysql databases. So first off, you want to visit this URL. I'm going to paste it in the video description. Scroll down and click download. So this is going to download the installer on our Windows PC. So you want to click no thanks, just start my download and wait a few seconds for this file to download. So I'm going to open it in the download folder. Double click to install. So you want to follow the prompts of the installation wizard right here. Now that the program is done installing, you can choose to finish and launch the Mysql workbench. So that's what I'm going to do right here. So as you can see on the dashboard, the Mysql workbench is able to detect that we have Mysql running locally on our device. So we can open this, input our password, and this is going to give us access to all the databases we have in that instance of that base. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.